Hey guys, welcome back to one of my channels. Today we are going to do Guess the Sound.
So how this is going to work is there are going to be 4 options. And you will have, in the background will be the sound. You have 8 seconds to do it, but we will also pause it, okay?
So, subscribe, like this video, and comment down below how much you got right. So, let's get into the video. Which one is this?
And after the video, after all the 15 questions, we will go over all the answers.
Yeah. Which one is this? Which shotgun is this? Which
explosive
is this? Which gun is this? Which one is this?
Bye.
Which AR is this?
And this is
Which explosive is this? Which gun is this? Which one? Yep. Which gun is this?
and
Which sniper is this? Which gun is this? Which one is this?
fun fact, actually, if you actually look right on the silenced pistol, which is one of the first silenced weapons, it actually says shh right where the arrow is.
Which gun is this? Last one. Which one of these? I hope you guys like this video, and we are going to show you the answers. So,
Number 1 is C.
Number 2, A. Number 3, D. Number 4, A. Number 5, B. Number 6, D. Number 7, C. Number 8, D. Number 9, B. Number 10, A. Number 11,
B.
B.
Number
Number
12,
D. Number 13, B. Number 14, D. Number 15, A.
so this is all the answers from 1
to 15.
So, hope you guys like this video. Comment down below how much you got right. And like this video. And I'll see you in my next video. See ya.
Bye.